Yawning. Everyone does it, but why? Today we're uncovering the surprising science behind this universal phenomenon. While we often associate yawning with boredom, it's actually a complex behavior. It helps regulate brain temperature and may even promote alertness. Ever notice how yawning is contagious? Studies suggest it's linked to empathy. So when you see someone yawn, your brain wants to join in the fun. So the next time you find yourself yawning, remember it's not just sleepiness, it's science at work. What's your favorite yawn fact? Comment below. Let's keep the yawns rolling.